right, so here's a little some tricks of the trade that I would do if I were working on these labs that are right out of the mindtap book. So what I would do is, first of all, I would open up the instructions and have those handy. I'm in a Mac, so I'm going to use Preview to do that. And what I want to show you is that all of these directions that are provided from the book are exactly worded in the same way inside your text. So it should be easier to figure out what you need to do in order to complete the assignment. And here's what I mean. For example, this says a navigation list containing an unordered list. And so if I look here and look at all of the highlights of what's going to be occurring here in this chapter, one thing that I'm going to find, if I look further enough, if I haven't read or if you have read, it says navigation lists. Well, that's just exactly what we're talking about, isn't it? So let's click on navigation lists. And this literally will walk you through how to create a navigation list, as well as the same thing that it's describing down here. Meaning that, let's even go down a little bit further. And it'll give you these examples. So it lets you know, here is an unordered list within the nav section. So it sets it up for you, and then you just fill in the details. So now you're going to fill in your A tags inside of your list. But all of the examples, all of the directions that are provided here in your requirements are listed exactly with highlighting of what that should match, is what I'm trying to say, is match examples and directions that are provided during the reading of the text.